So, a pleasant day to you, Mamaika Heraldino, and to all my classmates. So, today I will be discussing financial statement analysis. For the overview of this module, we know that the financial statements, they provide the basic information that are needed by the managers and the other parties outside the organization. So through financial statement, may papakita natin kung ano ba yung financial condition and also the result of operation of a business organization. Also, financial statement communicates the firm's financial strength, weakness, as well as its performance for the current period. So through financial statement, primarily prepared for external users, managers find it equally useful for this making decision. Kasi nga 'di ba, ang pinaka-primary purpose of financial statement is to communicate to external users, but it doesn't end there because the managers can also use the information provided by the financial statements for their decision-making activities. For example, yung performance evaluation, you probably develop operating plans and other matters regarding the operating activities. And also, even though financial statement are based in historical accounting information, so kung sinabi natin historical accounting information, it is based from past events. So, um, so what are the learning objectives for this module? So the learning objective of this course is first to understand the objectives of the financial statement analysis and its limitation. The second one is to use the analytical technique in the financial statement analysis. They are the historical analysis, trend analysis, vertical analysis, and the last one is the ratio analysis. And the third one is to prepare and interpret common size financial statement. And the fourth one is to compute the various financial ratios during offer and their interpretation. So, overview of financial statements. So, ano ba yung tinatawag nating financial statement? The first one is the balance sheet. Pag sinabi nating balance sheet, ang pinapakita dito ay ang asset, liabilities, and when we say net financial position, it can be the equity at a given point of time. When we say at a given point of time, there is a specific date for the balance sheet. Assets are often referred to as investment and liabilities, and owner's equity as financing. The second one is income statement. Pag sinabi nating income statement, it provides the company's operating result. So when we say operating result, ano ba yung mga elements na included? As patatapit. Ay, asa pa to? So the second one is income statement. Pag sinabi nating income statement, it provides the company's operating results. So when operating result, ano ba yung mga elements na included sa income statement? They are the revenue and the expenses. The third one is the cash flow statement. So when we say cash flow, dito pinapakita lahat ng inflow at outflow ng cash, and also it provides the firm activities like operating, investment, and financing. So operating, investing, and financing activities, ang makikita natin sa cash flow, when we say operating, it includes operating revenue and expense. Ito yung cash inflow and outflow na involves sa operating. So when we say investment, these assets and pag sinabing financing, ang pinapakita ay liabilities. So the next one is the statement of retained earnings. So Saka, ah, the next one is the statement of retained earnings. So when we say statement of retained earnings, pinapakita dito kung magkano yung net income. Pinapakita din dito kung magkano yung earnings at the start and the end of the year. So pag sinabi nating retained earnings, ito yung ginagamit sa corporate type of business. So this is the basic structure of each this statement in their relationship. The first one is the balance sheet, wherein you can see the assets, liabilities, and capital. And then the other one is the income statement, wherein you will see here the revenues and expenses. So pag mas malaki ang revenue sa expense, we have income. Pag kabaliktaran naman, mas malaki ang expenses sa revenue, so we have loss. And for the cash flow, we can see here the cash beginning balance, i-add a cash i-add a cash inflows, ililess ang cash outflow, and then you will get the cash balance. So in this chapter, analysis will be focused on these two statements. They are the balance sheet and the income statement. So we will use the most widely used techniques in the financial statement analysis, which are the comparative and the ratio components or component analysis, including turnovers. Pag sinabi natin comparative analysis, we have the horizontal, the trend, and the vertical. Okay? So ano ba yung mga questions about financial statements analysis? So in the slides, there are qualitative factors that should be considered in every decision that is being made by managers. Kumbaga, itong ratio na to, they are just tools para makatulong sa paggawa ng decision. So what are the cautions about using a financial ratio? So the first, ratio that reveal large deviation from the norm merely indicate the possibility of a problem. So the second one is a single ratio that's not generally provide enough information from which to judge the over performance of the firm. The third one, the ratio being compared should be calculated using a financial statement dated at the same point in time during the year. The fourth one, it is preferable to use a dictated financial statement. The fifth one, the financial data being compared should have been processed the same way. And the last one, results can be distorted by inflation. So these are all the cushions of financial issues. So next, comparative analysis. So pag sinabi natin comparative analysis, you are comparing two financial statements or one financial statement pero magkaiba yung kanilang period kaya you are comparing pa rin. So pag sinabi natin compared, you are comparing two different things. So one items on a financial statement has a little meaning by itself. Pagbabasahin mo yung financial statement, pag titingnan mo, pag nakikita mo yun, lalo na kung titingnan mo lang, titingnan mo lang by its face, parang walang masyadong meaning, di ba? So, ano ba ang sense ng financial statement? Pero you can draw the meaning of the numbers by using comparison like percentage changes, mga trend analysis. So, nagkakaroon na siya ng enhancement. So, ano ba yung mga analysis na yon? We have the horizontal analysis. When we say horizontal analysis, it is comparing two periods and becomes trend analysis if extended to three or more periods. Vertical analysis is known as the common size statement, wherein you are comparing the component parts of a single statement at a given period. The analyst must have in mind that this percentage changes and ratios are only indicators of the performance of financial condition of the company. So, no single measure could tell us the more. So, ibig sabihin, these are just indicators of performance. It doesn't mean that this is the actual real performance. Pwede lang itong makatulong. The next one is the horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis, it is a technique for evaluating a series of data over a period of time to determine the increase that they take place. So, di ba pag sinabi natin horizontal analysis, we are comparing one period to another. Okay, the next one, trend analysis. An extended horizontal analysis could be developed as the so-called trend analysis. Trend percentage state several years financial data in the terms of a base which equals 100%. So, trend analysis dito may tinatawag tayong trend percentage pag several years na pag several years na ng financial data ang pinag-uusapan. So, next is, so ano nga ba yung trend analysis? So, sabi dito, trend analysis, it serves as what we are called attention directing. Kasi nga, di ba, pag nawala sa trend or there is something wrong, kailangan mo bigyan ng attention to find out what happened. For example, masyadong mataas yung increase o kaya masyadong lumiit naman masyado. Kasi you can see the percentage ng itinaas or binababa. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya is attention directing. Kasi nagfo-focus ng attention dun sa mga trends in comparison with the industry standard. Okay? The next one is the vertical analysis. Sorry, nabubulo lang ako. So, vertical analysis is a technique that expresses each item within the financial statement as percentage of relevant total or base amount, wherein we find the 100% because yung 100% doon mo i-divide the components within the financial statement. Ratio analysis. Ratio analysis, many related items in the balance sheet help the analyst develop his interpretation. Ang kagandahan nito, ang mga ratio naman, they are designed to show relationship between financial statement.